Yeah.
This, if you got to tap and dice it in the whole beer, you can do whatever you need to. So I don't want to third parties where I want to quickly. What's what? I just figured I have a number of cars, so I just have to.
Well, it's in dogma. So if you go look at the screen, there's a picture of a dog on it. When you leave your dog in there, you put it in dogma.
Come on. Sure. Oh, my driver will be back there one day. He is on it.
Yeah, just keep going. You do the same thing. Oriole beats 700. I'm not official like.
For our 2020 raffle. Current estimate is $500 plus.
17.
So let's see if we can get that over $600 so somebody can walk away with $300. Come over to the gazebo. We're selling the 50-50 raffle tickets over here. Like I said, you got about 20 minutes before we do our first raffle pull at noon. While you're over here, get yourself a hot dog. These hot dogs are one of a kind, and the hot dogs are $2. And I tell you what, just for today, I will throw in the bun with the hot dog for free. So you buy a hot dog, you get a bun for free.
That's why.
So if you want to get a free bun, come buy a hot dog. We also, hot dogs are $2, and chips and soda on water, $1. So you can't beat the price, and it all goes to a good cause. While you're over here, we've got our t-shirt table. And it's the King of T-shirt man and his crew. It's got beautiful, crazy purple T-shirts. And we also have a table that I want to glorify to dress offer.
So empty.
I know you're not a Chevy guy.
it's nice.
I'm not a
Yeah.
Ford guy, but very nice.
Yeah, so he built the,
I said, where are you going tomorrow? No, I saw tomorrow. I clicked the button and tomatoes. Baby tomato. Where are you going, tomato?
That's interior. The only name I remember is Mike Briggs, he was a contracts guy down in Texas. That's why we deal with, because we get, I was all in chicken. No. You can actually see what you're doing. Look at this guy. You can find it. Is he on this thing?
so we are
On the boat.
You know, we'd love to thank some of our sponsors here this afternoon, actually this morning. Starting with Street Side Classics, who always donate a bunch of good stuff for our goodie bags, and are a great supporter of this event. If you're into classic cars, you need to go to Street Side Classics. They have locations in Charlotte, and in Tampa, and Atlanta.
Yesterday, he started singing "Take Me Out to the Ball Game" because we had benefits.
They're like McDonald's, they're popping up everywhere. Street Side Classics is the #1 classic car dealer in America. And they're representing you today, so they're a big sponsor, we appreciate them. Also helping us out with donations and prizes.
Love it out here.